This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Jeremy Veldman. Investors only. Do not disturb tenant. SFH rented for $705 per month, managed by a local professional management company. Lease expires February 28, 2022. Tenant moved in January 31, 2020. Renovated in November 2019, including new air conditioner condenser, new roof, new furnace and A-coil, maintenance report and tenant payment history available upon request. Showings only with accepted offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeremy Veldman at 901-221-4041.